First you need to download this 30 Light Leaks pack, under the description link. Inside this pack you'll get 15 Light Leaks overlay and 15 Light Leaks transition. Now let's see how to use them inside the Premiere Pro. Import your footages to the timeline. Then choose an Light Leaks overlay. Then just drag and drop it above the clip. And delete the unwanted part. Now select the Light Leaks layer. Then go to the Effect Controls tab. And change the blend mode, normal to screen. If you think it's too much, you can decrease the opacity. Let's preview this. It looks so cool. Now let's add a transition between this two clips. Choose a Light Leaks transition. Then simply drag and drop it to the timeline. And make sure the flash is centered between the two clips. Then select the Light Leaks transition layer. And again change the blend mode, normal to screen. So that's it, and it's pretty easy to use. Also you can use them any other video editing application. Just put any light leak over your video, then change the blending mode. Hope that you enjoy this pack. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.